What it do, gang? It's your boy Blackie Stone, and I am back with another video. Today's video is very exciting to me. We drop nothing but excitement on this channel. So if you like excitement and you don't want to miss any excitement, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit all the bell notifications so that next time we drop another video, you will be notified. Matter of fact, guys, we're going through the process. While we're at it, once you find value in this video, go ahead, hit the like button. It really helps me get into YouTube's algorithm. It helps me get this video out into the world. With that being said, guys, I have a surprise for you. But let me tell you about it right after this dope intro. Let's go. Let's get right into the video, guys. The 30mm f1.4 stop from Sigma. Let's talk about the camera for a second. Why did we choose to get the 30mm camera lens? Well, we chose to get it because Sigma makes an excellent product for the price. It's mainly built of plastic. No fancy buttons. However, it does have a manual focus that's very precise. It's not a heavy lens, which helps with portability as well as ease of use once it's on the camera itself. It's not going to be heavy, which means I can spend a lot more time in the field taking pictures or video without my arms getting tired, even though we got these 16-inch pythons. The camera lens does not have optical stabilization, which means we are going to have to use our camera in a stationary position by use of a tripod, or two, we can also use a program called Catalyst Browse, which will take all of that jumpiness out of the video. We can use a camera gimbal, which will give us a lot more stabilization, or the camera itself, the ZV-E10, has stabilization in it itself. So only downfall with using the in-camera stabilization is that you get a crop. The 30mm camera lens for your APS-C or your crop sensor mirrorless cameras is basically the equivalent of what? Anywhere from 45 to 48 millimeters, I think. My math is right. Anywhere between 45 and 48 millimeters. That means it's going to have the same focal length as your natural eyes. The way you view things is going to be the way the camera lens view things, which is excellent because that's what we want. When we're looking at certain things as far as a landscape or you're taking pictures, you want more of a natural look as opposed to something that just doesn't fit to your field of view. The camera lens will especially give me that great depth of field, that blurry background, that money shot. Did I say money shot? Yes, I said money shot. You know how when you're watching a football game or a basketball game, any athletic game out there, and that field of view, the camera's field of view is just on that one particular player or players. But guess what? That background is blurred out. Why? Because that background is not important to the shot. That's what we're talking about. We're talking about that blurry background. We are talking about that bokeh. We are talking about the money shot. Yes, we got this lens because of the money shot. Let's also talk about the performance. I've noticed, just for the little bit of time that I have been using this lens, at times in certain instances the autofocus is a little searchy at times. It's going to be a little searchy, especially when objects are moving. But we're talking about stills and landscapes. That means we can use this camera lens and still get that blurred background, because that autofocus is going to be right on point. So I would say 9 out of 10 times, which isn't bad at all, 9 out of 10 times the camera lens is going to be right on point when it comes to your autofocus. The sharpness on this lens is something to be, it's going to be something to brag about, especially right there in the middle. I know a lot of people on the internet are talking about the edges being discolored, or the edges having a different shade, or I think what they call it is vignetting. I'm not worried about that. Me as a vlogger, as a person, as a content creator, a person that just wants to express himself artistically, I'm not really worried about the perfection of the lens, especially at its price point. Some would say, hey, why don't you just get another lens? At this price point, this lens cannot compare to anything else out there, because compared to $200 used or $1,000 brand new, that's a no-brainer for me. I'm going with the better bargain. So all in all, guys, this is an excellent budget camera when it comes to autofocus, operating good in low light, the sharpness. It's going to be great. It's a great budget lens. Most importantly, guys, I'm still learning when it comes to this camera game. I'm learning. I'm going to make a lot of mistakes. I will probably invest in things that I probably have no business investing in. That's a part of the learning process. The thing is, I'm not failing. So if I'm learning, that means Blackie Stone, your boy, is not going to do anything else but get better. The grind is real, guys. The most important thing that we can do, instead of procrastinating, is getting out there, pressing record, creating memories, creating content for yourself to enjoy. Or why be so selfish? Create content so others can enjoy it, whether it's good or whether it's bad. Remember, the more you do it, the better you will be. With that being said, guys, I don't want to take too much of your time. Again, it's not an open box. We just took delivery on a 30mm lens from Sigma. Again, guys, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel, really helps me out. Your post notifications, set it to all. Like the video, comment. Let me know how you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you didn't enjoy the video. If you got to this point in the video, let me know. Give me a shout out. I will definitely give you some love in return. With that being said, guys, it's your boy Blackie Stone, and I am out.